Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to unbox this Galaxy S20 Ultra that I picked up directly from Samsung's website. In the video, I'm going to just give you my thoughts about it, go over the phone, and then come back with other videos. You know the way I like to do it. But before I get into this video, check this out. Alright everyone, so this video is just going to be a quick unboxing. Let's see what you get in the box. I might do some comparisons, go over the specs, and then just go over the phone. Then stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos. Y'all know I like doing gaming videos, speaker tests, case reviews. Everything will be coming up, so stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button also. But let's get into it. Nice little presentation from Samsung. Kind of boring, but it is nice. Plain and simple. Yes, this is the unlocked version I got from their website. Oh, look at that, S20. And I did go ahead and get the Cosmic Black. Look at that. I'm not used to having fingerprint magnet phone messing with my Google Pixel, but this phone seems really big. And it's kind of heavy, but let's put that on the side. See what else you get in the box. Nothing there. Charging brick. Little Samsung charging brick there. Supposed to be fast charging, but I don't think this is the fastest one you can get. Bam. Probably some headphones or cables. USB Type-C cable to USB Type-C. What is this? Oh, they give you the famous AKG headphones with the Type-C. Yeah, y'all know what that means. We don't have no headphone jack, but nothing else is in the box. Let's see. Transfer cables, earpieces. There's nothing in there. Nothing else is in the box, so I'm gonna put all this stuff in there. There's the actual earpieces for the headphones. I probably slipped out. But let's check out the phone. That's why everybody came to the video. All right, look at the phone itself. Bam. It is shiny though. I'm gonna put the headphones on the side too. I know everybody likes that sound, but look at the phone. Look at that camera hump too. Like, man. But what y'all think about it? Let's turn this bad boy on. Yes, it has a 6.9 inch Infinity O display because it has that little display up there. Look at that, the little camera cutout. Then it has the 108 megapixel camera with 100 times zoom, which I don't know if you've seen on the videos. People have been complaining about it. Now my Google is talking to me. But at the bottom, see if I can focus, maybe. You have the Type-C speaker, microphone. On the left-hand side, you have nothing. On the top, you have the SIM card slot here, and then a microphone. On the right-hand side, you have your power button, and then the volume rockers. What y'all think about that? That's a... Man. Let me compare it to my Google Pixel. Look at that. These are two great phones. I'm gonna compare the cameras. I know I'm gonna have to compare the cameras together. This thing comes with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, the Snapdragon 865 processor. I have 128 gigs. It comes up to 512. This is 12 gigs of RAM also. You can get 16 gigs of RAM on a phone. 16 gigs on a phone, and my computer doesn't even have 16 gigs. That camera cutout, it's kind of growing on me. I don't know, but what y'all think about it, man? I just think it's has some weight to it too. But stay tuned to the channel. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see, what type of videos. I'll definitely be testing out the speaker. Look at the camera cutout. I seen a bunch of videos about the front camera too being better, which we will definitely test out myself too. But I just want to see how this phone holds up. Yes, it is expensive. What, $1,300, $1,400 with tax? Whatever the price was. 100 times zoom, but I just want to see what this phone will do. Y'all let me know in the comments on what type of videos y'all want to see. Like I said, it's just a quick unboxing. Look at that. Bam. This is the Yumi Digi phone. But I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing video, then come back maybe with a 24 to 48 hour impression video. But I just wanted to unbox this for everybody so y'all can see it directly from Forbes Tech Reviews. I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But stay tuned to the channel. I do have some cases that I'm gonna review for the phone. I also have some more video ideas that I'm gonna try to do myself. But again, let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I say that 5 times really fast. I don't know why they went from S10 to S20, but hey, it's what it is. Again, follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.